Sharing time muna tayo. Alam niyo ba, nung kami bata pa, wala pang mga label ang mga salitang depression at anxiety. Yung kapag umiiyak ka, maaaring kinurot ka lang daw ng kalaro mo or inagawan lang ng laruan. At kapag ayaw mong kumain, wala ka lang raw gana o may sakit ka or ayaw mo lang yung ulam. Wala ring label noon yung salitang bullying. Yung kapag inabangan ka sa kanto ng kaklase mo at sinabunutan, away bata lang raw. At kapag ayaw mong pumasok sa eskwela, tamad ka lang raw. Wala ring label noon yung salitang child abuse. Yung normal lang saktan ka, paluin ka, hanggang maihi ka sa sakit. Dahil bawal mga tuwiran, bawal masaktan. Yung ba dapat dyan ka lang sa sulok? Yung dahil bata ka lang, telling the truth is just considered a fairy tale to cover up lies. Wala ring label yung brokenness, emptiness, loneliness. Yung kapag iniwan ka ng magulang, normal lang yung maapi. At habang lumalaki at nagkakamalay tayo, hindi natin namamalayan. Yun na pala yung tinatawag na maturity, openness. Yun na pala yung nagkakaroon ka na ng boses at unti-unti ka na nakakahugot ng sariling kalakasan. Yung palang pahina ng buhay na yun ay tila yung kadilimang hindi natin namalayan nang tayo ay kasalukuyang nasa sinapupunan pa ng ating ina. Di ba natin piniling mailabas sa mundong ito? Ngunit Diyos mismo ang pumili sa atin upang maging bahagi ng napakagandang mundong nilikha niya para sa atin. Gentle reminder, the bottom line of this heartfelt confessions about life is to embrace each and everyone's life existence. Those chapters may already have been closed, but let's continue to be kind and love one another. Let us be sensitive to each and everyone's feelings. Sometimes those who were broken in the past may still carry an unseen trauma. That may be the reason why they are aloof, timid, shy, or choose to live quietly on their own. If life gives us the chance to meet people like them, may we become instruments of love and understanding. Let them feel that they are loved, appreciated, and accepted. Because sometimes kindness can heal that the world never knew existed. Have a blessed and a wonderful evening. God bless you.